Welcome to another episode. Have you ever had a goal, a dream, wanted to change, do better in a relationship, whether do better in your health, do better in as it relates to on the job or anything? In order to change, you must change your mindset first. You have to have a mindset change that you have a firm belief or the courage that whatever you desire to accomplish or whatever the goal or the destination that you're going to get there. And you have to believe that nothing will get in your way. And even though obstacles may come, you will find ways to navigate through those obstacles. Even though you may experience fear and doubt in accomplishing a goal because an obstacle may come, or you may feel like you're not worthy enough, or you may not have the skills to accomplish, or you may not know how to accomplish whatever that goal or destination is, you have to believe that no matter what may come your way, that you can accomplish it. We all may experience fear and doubt, which is a natural feeling. But it's the ones who find a way past that feeling and overcome to reach their goals. Can't rely upon our own strength. I believe that all things are possible with God. And also the scripture says, greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. I have dealt with failures in so many aspects and areas of my life. But I'm learning that if I can learn how to recover faster from those failures, from those mistakes, from those things not working out, it's okay. That it's okay, and learn how to overcome those failures. And so I'm still in a work in progress. I'm still learning how to navigate and look and find and dream and still push through, to readjust, to add on to learn, to improve, to do better, however it may be. And in order to do that, even though it takes a mindset change to reach your goals, to reach your destination, at whatever dreams or aspiration that you want, you need a strategy. It can be habit change, a system that you can live by that will help you reach your goal. And so that can be in various areas of your life, whether it's your prayer life, if it is a relationship, you want to get in a closer relationship with God, you want a closer relationship with your spouse or your family members, you want to do better, have a closer relationship with your friends, develop the right mentor, teacher around you to help you in reaching your full potential, whatever it may be, whether you want to do better in your health, you want to improve in your health, you want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, whatever it may be, there are habits that you can form in your lifestyle, a way of living that will assist you in reaching the goal that you desire. There's some things, as you all know, I have changed some things in my life, but it took a mindset change first. I was about March of last year, 2022, I was obese. And I was dealing with my health issues, and I saw and went to the doctor, and my health was really digressing in a very bad way. And my doctor, they were trying to find some ways that maybe I could manage the pain that I was dealing with. And so they wanted to put me on a particular regimen. And I knew that I did not want to necessarily be on that for the rest of my life. And I knew I had to have a mindset change. And I started doing some things. Was I doing everything perfectly? No. But I knew that the weight had to come off. And from March to, I guess you could say, the September, October, I lost about maybe 35 pounds. But like I said, I was obese. I was like 169, and it went down. I went down to 130, I think 138, when I next went to the doctor to get another checkup. But I had to implement change in some eating habits, change in exercise. I had to change some things in my lifestyle that that would help me get in the right direction. Even though I lost the weight, I still was experiencing severe pain and uncomfortable. I was very uncomfortable doing some of the basic things, and I was, some things in my body that just was not right. And so anyway, went to the health retreat, as I said in my previous episodes, and learned some things, and some things I already kind of knew, but really kind of got the education to understand that even though I was doing certain things sometimes, but if I had needed made a drastic change so that that could be eliminated. So after taking those things out of my life, I seen that I did lose more weight. Now I'm in the process of gaining weight, but I'm not obese anymore. My joint pain has digressed. I don't deal with the unnecessary inflammation and pain that I was experiencing before. But all of it was because of a mindset change. And then not just a mindset change, I had to put forth a strategy. I had to have a goal and act. And then once I had a goal or a destination, I had to put in actionable steps that I was going to do to get towards my particular goal. And as I started implementing those things, whether doing a cleansing program or eating certain things in my diet, or eliminating certain things in my diet, listening to certain things that would cause me to be overly stressed, or separating myself for a season of time of things that cause too much of a burden at the time. Sometimes you got to shut social media off. Sometimes you got to not call that person that sometimes is always discouraging to you, or shut you down. Whatever it may be, you got to find ways to improve. Coming up with a strategy or a way of living or a lifestyle change or habits in your life that you're going to form to get you to your goal. It's going to help you know where you're going and how you're going to get there. It will also allow you to focus on what are some of the problems that you may face and how are you going to deal with those problems. So some things, for example, sometimes I would have to go out of town, whether for a doctor's appointment or I'm connecting with a friend or a family member, and I know that when I go, that because I'm eating differently, or I may need to make sure that I'm taking my supplements, or I have to have my supplements by a certain time, or I may need to eat a meal, whatever, I would plan ahead knowing that maybe I'll be with them for a longer period of time and I won't get home in enough time to eat my next meal. So what I would do, I would plan ahead and make sure I had my salad dressing already pre-prepared. I would already have my salad that I was going to have already pre-prepared. I may have a juice, I have it pre-prepared. I may also make sure that I have all the things that I may need to be prepared for that. That will help you. You know that there could be a problem, so you go ahead in advance and have those things already available so that it does not create a problem. Say, for instance, I know that I may be away from home and I need to make sure that I'm cleansing my cells, so I need to make sure I'm drinking my water. So if I know that I'm going to be away from home, make sure I take my own water with me. I like to drink room temperature water. And in order to do that, I have to make sure that I'm taking my own water, because what if I went to the store? Most of the time, if I stopped at a gas station, the water is going to be extremely cold because it's in the refrigerator. But if I bring my own water, then it would be room temperature water. And then on top of that, I may even have my own container, but I may take a gallon of water and have it in my car, so that if I drink up all my water, I also have some left over. These are things that you have to foresee the problem, and then you have to make up in your mind that you prepare for those things that may come. So another example is, I wanted to be a better woman, and I wanted to aim to be a Proverbs 31 woman, which has so many things so many goals and aspiration, but one in particular is, it says that she openeth her mouth with wisdom, and on her mouth is the law of kindness. And so something that you can aim towards is that being slow to speak, quick to listen, quick to forgive, or at least learn to forgive and give people grace. Learning to be quiet or give yourself time to quiet yourself. So learning to be graceful, learning to be an encourager, learning to also have the hard conversations, but in a respectful way, learning to listen, be quick to listen and slow to speak. Those are some actionable things to do when you are trying to have conversation with people and you want to be that individual that speaks with wisdom and also speaks with kindness. So those are some steps, some practical steps that I use or learning to use within my own life. Whether you want to be a better woman, you want to be a better wife, you want to be a better friend, you want to be a better sister, you want to be a better daughter, whatever it may be. You may want to improve in your health. You may want to change your mindset. You want to think better. There are things, there is a way of living, there's a lifestyle, there are habits that you can incorporate into your life that will help you reach your destination. I am a living witness. I'm still on the journey. I just want to encourage you that it's not over. It's not finished. You still have time to make a change. And the best time is to start right now. Remember, health is progressive. See you next time.